Let's call it candidate number 8. Hello! Hi! Hello! Ayan, very good. So are you ready? Before anything else, what do you want? Chavacano, English, or Tagalog? Oh, wow! Another. What grade? From what school? How old are you? 9-year-olds. Ayan, sige. Okay, so ready? Here we go. Okay, I am going to read your questions. Do you know how to read? Okay.
Papansin ka nga, kaya nakamangkal. Why do children like you go to school and why?
Again, I'm going to reframe your question. Why do children like you go to school?